In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Forza Horizon 6 on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device. And once you are taken into the store page, go ahead and click on the search box. You can now type in Forza Horizon 6 to begin your search. Once you find the game, just click on it, and this will take you into the game page where you can check out the trailer and the reviews. Scroll down and click on Add to Cart alongside your preferred bundle or edition. Then click on View My Cart in order to continue towards your payment. You can then use your Steam Wallet balance or any one of the payment method from the drop-down menu. Just fill up your credentials and your billing information. You can also save it for later. And once you complete your transaction, the game will be added to your library. Then from your library, you can choose your install location to begin the download and installation of the game. Just wait for a while, and once it is done, you may start enjoying the Forza Horizon 6 game on your device right away. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Forza Horizon 6 game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.